Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn Easy. In this video, we are doing the third exercise from the chapter number 15, Visualizing Solid Shapes. So, this is one of the chapters from your class 7th NCERT Mathematics textbook. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly go and subscribe my channel for further updates. And if you like this video, please watch it till the end. It's very interesting. We are going to divide the solids, everyday solids, into various parts. Let us start with exercise 15.3. So here is the first question. What cross sections do you get when you cut vertically, horizontally? So vertical cut, please all of you remember this. Everybody tends to forget. Before I start teaching what are the various shapes we are getting from various solids, I would like to tell you what are horizontal cut and what is a vertical cut. So vertical cut is a straight line in this manner and horizontal cut is a slanting line. Alright, let's look at the first shape. Now brick. अगर आप brick को cut करोगे, first हमारा part था horizontally, this was the second one, horizontal, और हमारा first part था vertical. Okay, so what shapes will you get? Let us look at the screen, all of you. So vertical means if I cut straight, so that is the brick is divided into two equal parts. The brick is divided into two equal parts. That means we are getting the two parts of the brick, and brick is itself in a cuboid shape. Now when you are cutting the brick vertically, you are going to get the answer as rectangle. Rectangle, right? But if I cut this brick horizontally, this is horizontal cut and this is vertical cut. So horizontally means again you are going to get two parts and again they are in the shape of a rectangle, right? Let's go forward to the next shape. I hope this shape is clear. Always remember, you should know the basic shape, basic 3D shape of the figure given to you. Whatever image is given to you, you should know the basic shape. Let's go ahead. A round apple. So round apple, first of all, if I cut it vertically, I'm going to get two circles on either way. If I cut it on the slice wise, that is horizontally. So let us see. First is vertically. वर्टिकल कट. वर्टिकल कट आपको क्या मिला? अगर आप राउंड एप्पल को आपने कट किया वर्टिकल कट, you will nearly get a circle. You will nearly get a circle. Coming to horizontal cut. horizontal cut किया हमने, जहाँ पे मैंने एज लिखा है प्लीज उसे ध्यान से देखो. horizontal कट किया तो भी हमें क्या मिला? सर्कल, राइट? तो भी हमें क्या मिला? सर्कल, right? Let's go forward to the C part. A die. A die is in the shape of a cube. Just now we have studied in the first part. You can check the description box. 15.1 में हमने यही पढ़ा था. Dice is in the form of cube. तो अगर हमने इस dice को इस तरीके से कट किया, this is vertically, and अगर हम इसको इस तरीके से कट करेंगे तो horizontally. So again, let me write down horizontal and vertical. So vertical is a square and horizontal is also a square, right? All right, let's go forward. करें, डाइस करा हमने, वर्टिकल कट और हॉरिजॉन्टल कट करा, right? All right. A circular pipe. So a circular pipe is in the form of what? It is in the form of a cylinder. It is in the form of a cylinder. तो अगर हमने कट करा इसको इस तरीके से, so this is vertical, and if I cut like this, this is horizontal, आइए देखते हैं, पहला हमारे पास क्या है, वर्टिकल कट। वर्टिकल कट में हमें क्या मिला, वी गॉट अ सेमी सिलेंडर, आधा सिलेंडर मिला हमें, so that is a semi cylinder, right? If I talk about horizontal cut, horizontal cut में हमें क्या मिला, horizontal cut में हमें क्या मिला, क्रॉस सेक्शन रिमेन्स द सेम, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ा, रिमेन्स सेम। पहले में पूरा सिलेंडर मिल रहा था, कटने के बाद भी हमें सिलेंडर मिल रहा है, सो इट इज क्रॉस सेक्शन रिमेन द सेम। ठीक है जी, आइए बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट। एन आइसक्रीम कोन, दिस इज वेरी नाइस, लेट्स हैव अ लुक। अगर हमें आइसक्रीम कोन को कट करना है वर्टिकली, सो इट विल बी, दिस इज वर्टिकल एंड दिस इज कटिंग हॉरिजॉन्टली, सीधी करेंगे अगर हम कोन को, राइट। सो पहला हमारे पास क्या है, वर्टिकल कट। वर्टिकल कट कितना है, you are getting a shape of a triangle. Coming to the next, horizontal cut. So again you are going to nearly get a triangle, right? आपको triangle मिल रहा है ना, cone का top portion मिल रहा है, right? So here we have covered all the 5 parts from this exercise, and it's a very short exercise where only horizontal cut and vertical cuts were required of the various shapes. We will try to do some extra questions on this topic. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope everybody enjoyed it. It's a very interesting topic. You can now join us on Facebook as Learn Easy and Instagram page Learn Easy Online. So kindly share, like, follow and subscribe the channel for the regular updates. Thank you.